Well, you've surely noticed that development in Collier County is on the rise. Market conditions continue to indicate a need for expanded services within the Growth Management Division to maintain high levels of customer service. The Board of County Commissioners approved a recommendation to authorize the creation of 10 additional full-time equivalent positions in the Growth Management Division in response to increased customer demand. The task of meeting and increasing demand for service is carefully evaluated.
We've been monitoring that very carefully, and we've been taking a very progressive approach, soft approach to saying adding staff as it warrants more work. Our inspectors are currently traveling about 80 miles a day, doing about 26 inspections a day. Industry standards about 20, so we want to get back down to a manageable workload. I mean, we're working with our partners in CBIA, and DSAC supported it, so it's a good thing.
The Building Industry Association works very closely with the Growth Management Division and continually dialogue, look at ways that we can improve from the private sector, ways that growth management can improve from the public sector, because we would like a steady balance for growth within Collier County as it relates to economic sustainability.
The proposed positions will be funded with current user fee reserves, require no additional fees, and have no fiscal impact on the general fund.